Hello and welcome to Gadget Mad. I've been using the Panasonic GH4 for over 6 months now. Now don't get me wrong, this is a great camera, but battery life is something that can always be improved. This is why I bought the GH3 and GH4 Replacement Battery Grip. Inside the retail box there is an instruction sheet and the battery grip, as well as plenty of packaging. The build quality of this battery grip differs greatly from the camera itself. The battery grip is made out of cheap plastic, so it does make me question its durability. Not only does it double the camera's battery life, but it also duplicates many of the key controls over onto the side of the camera. This includes ISO, exposure, and white balance controls. On the end of the battery grip, there is a small compartment which can hold one standard camera battery. This grip fits snugly onto the bottom of my GH4, but it did require me to remove a small rubber piece from the bottom. This allows the pins to connect to the bottom of my camera from the battery grip. Now, once the battery grip is installed onto the camera, it will automatically recognize it and can be turned on when the internal battery gets low. Let's run over the pros and cons for this product. The pros include the extended battery life, the added controls, and the extra grip. However, the cons include a heavier camera and a not so durable build quality. But for $80 it really isn't a bad deal. I also forgot to mention that it makes my GH4 look 10 times cooler. That's all for this week's video. If you found it interesting, then please subscribe, and I'll catch you once again in the next video.